You're killing me slowly. I take it every day. Because I know one day you'll stay. You're fading from my mind. I'm falling from your bite. I close my eyes tight so I can try to remember. The thoughts are hard to see, hard to recover. The time has made the mark of us being apart. The time has affected my mind and heart. I don't know if I'm already just a memory to you. I don't know if there's someone else too. I know there's no future for you and me. I know we just met to be apart. To stand there and look up at a tree, watching it grow, watching me crumble, staying in my own bubble. You being there, just not being here, almost touching you, but out of my reach. You're so small in my head, but your words are so loud in my ear. I'm losing it. But as long as you're okay, I'm happy. I will always keep the memories of you with me. I will always smile for you on what you do. In my heart, there will always be a part of you